know where we are.
Ritana ria Mutongoria wa mungithaniro Raila Odinga ria gwitia kura ya mawoni rionekete kwaga guciara matunda. Riu Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta akiuga we ndaranyita ritana riri mbaru, akiuga riri ni ihinda riake ria gukinyaniria itugi cia Kenya cia uthii wa nambere kuri akenya.
We have a constitution that we granted upon ourselves that gave us 47 counties. There is no intention here. We have no time. This is what we want to deal with. We want to deal with these issues that we are discussing here. Not running around the country asking whether you want another constitution or no constitution.
Miario no ni nyititwo mbaru ni atongoria kuuma ithwiro ria bururi. Kuria mameneirie ritana riri ria kura ya mawoni na kuuga Raila ni mwiyendo mutheri hari gwitia kura ya mawoni na kuyethera giturwa.
Kitu yenye unaona Raila anatembea nayo akisema eti tupatilishe katiba, sasa tumejua ukora yake. Anataka tupatilishe katiba ili tuwe na viti mingi, ili watoto wa matajiri wagawane, watengeneze Gideon Moi president wa Kenya. Gideon Moi
ikiwa alisoma na leo hii anasema ati hiyo katiba ni mbaya, kitu ya kwanza aombe wa Kenya msamaha.
No na kuri uguo atongoria ni maugite oni maranyita mbaru munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto kihitahitano-ini kia mwaka wa 2022.
Tukae na Ruto kwa vile tunachua yeye ndiye anaenda kuwa rais wa nchi hii mwaka wa 2022.
Na watongoria kuuma ikamba-ini ni moritie ruriri rwa ikamba rwetikire kunyitana guku makiuria atongoria ria mari thirikari-ini kuuma ruriri ruru metikire kunanira njungwa.
15,000, 20,000 Kambas coming together to pray, because as a community and as pastors we feel that the community has lost directions, because we've been following political voices and now we want to listen to the voice of God.
Kambas are not in government, neither are they in opposition. We are katikati, not with ignoring one Kalonzo Musyoka, Governor Mutua, Mike Songo, Joe Mutambo Kisoi. All of those people, we need to come together and reason as one united region. Otherwise, if we do not do that, we are going to perish as a region.
Ritana riri ria gutabanio gwa kura ya mawoni ni rithiete na mbere na kumenererio ni akenya. Aingi makiuga guku ni gucokia bururi na thutha uteti-ini handu ha kurongoreria uthii wa nambere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.
I've never been to Manzoni.